Okay. Hi everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Jerry. Jerry is ready to make waffles. Jerry's going to spray the waffle iron. You need to stand back a little bit. Going to spray the top and then spray the bottom. Or vice versa. Go all the way around. All the way around. Good. Do the top. The top. Good. Good, good, good. Going. Okay, good job. Now he's going to take his waffle mix and he's going to put it in. He's going to spoon it in. But be careful because you don't want to put too much in, okay? You want to watch what you're doing. Let me see. Oh, it's hard for me to see. Go ahead. Lift the bowl a little bit higher so I can see what you're doing here. Go ahead. Okay. In the middle. Put it in the middle. Okay. Good. Okay. Let me see what you got left. Okay, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay. Good enough. Good enough. Let's push this. Put the bowl down. Push this like this. Is what we want to do. Push that like that. Out towards the ends. Okay, we're going to do like one more here. Do like one more in there. Now close the lid. You're going to close the lid now. And that's how you make a waffle. We'll show you how it turns out in a minute. We'll be back. This is part 3 of Cooking with Jerry. We'll be right back.